briefly introduce how to use the tour guide system TT106 receiver, TT106 transmitter. Press and hold the transmitter M button 1 second to turn on. Press and hold the receiver's power on button 1 second to turn it on. At this time, the receiver light flashes a few times to indicate a few grids. Short press the right button of the transmitter, then the antenna icon flashes, that is, a key has been muted. Press the button again to restore the receiving state. In the normal working mode, long press the left and right buttons until the M icon on the screen becomes ID. At this moment, the transmitter enters the channel setting mode. Right-click to select the digit to be changed, and left-click to select the digit to be changed. Long press the M key. At this time all the numbers start to flash. The receiver can be paired within 2 meters of the transmitter. The receiver light no longer flashes. The pairing is successful. Press the M key to send the transmitter and receiver to talk. Long press the left button of the transmitter to turn off the receiver with 1 key. At this time, the transmitter flashes in full screen. Press the AM button to stop and shut down.